How to ensure your parents' end-of-life wishes are carried out. Brought to you by the Visiting Nurse Service of New York.
Whether your dad is in good health and living independently, or your mom is in the last stages of an illness and receiving hospice care, it's important to know what his or her end-of-life wishes are. There will come a time when choices need to be made about medical treatment, and they may not be able to speak or decide for themselves. It could happen in 10 years or next week, so you need to be prepared. And while it's good to talk about your loved one's wishes, it's crucial to have them in writing in what are called advance directives. Oh, don't worry, I'm going to explain them to you. Advance directives are legal forms that express a person's end-of-life wishes in the event they're not able to speak for themselves. While you don't need a lawyer to fill out these forms, they become legally valid as soon as you sign them in front of the required witnesses. I'm going to give you a basic overview of advance directives for New Yorkers. Remember, the laws vary from state to state, so it's important to complete the forms that comply with your state's law. For more detailed information, visit vnsny.org/advance directives. Here, you'll find instructions for completing and registering your forms in New York. There are also links to sites where you can download the forms. Before you complete the forms, you need to choose which type is best for your situation. There are 4 types, and you could have multiple or just one. The first type of advance directive is the healthcare proxy, also known as power of attorney for healthcare. Your parent can use a healthcare proxy to appoint a person to make medical decisions for them in the event they can't do so for themselves. The healthcare proxy usually does not include specifics about medical decisions, just the person who will speak for mom or dad. The next type of advance directive is the living will. This form documents your parents' wishes for or against medical treatments and interventions. It may also cover his or her wishes concerning heroic measures such as artificial resuscitation, mechanical ventilation, as well as artificial hydration and nutrition, antibiotics, or dialysis. The third and most specific advance directive is the Do Not Resuscitate Order, or DNR. The DNR is a little different because it's an order that you get from a doctor. Often people think if they have a DNR, they won't receive proper treatment if they go to a hospital. But this is not the case. All necessary medical care will be continued regardless of whether they have a DNR or not. The DNR only applies to heroic measures that would be taken if a person is close to dying. This includes measures like artificial resuscitation, CPR or chest compressions, defibrillation, or being hooked up to a ventilator or tubes for hydration and nutrition. Most people who have healthcare proxies also have a DNR. The last type of form is called the 5 wishes. This is the newest of all the advance directives, and it encompasses a lot more than the others. As you may have guessed, it contains instructions for 5 questions. Who does your parent want to make the healthcare decisions if he or she cannot? What is your parent's choice of medical treatment? How does your parent want to be treated by others? What are your parents' instructions on comfort care? What are your parents' final wishes for family and friends? In the 5 wishes, mom or dad can be as specific as they want. Talking to your mom or dad about their end-of-life wishes can be a sensitive discussion. It's a good idea to involve their doctor. And try to remember this is a conversation, not a debate. Make an effort to hear and understand what they really want so that you ensure their wishes are carried out. I hope you found this information helpful. For more information about advance directives, again, you can visit vnsny.org/advance directives. And for more tips on caring for your elderly loved one, please watch our other videos at vnsny.org/how-to.